Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to the second video of the Stor.Guru tutorial on how to use. This is going to be talking about creating an account with Stor.Guru. So hopefully at this point you've already been able to log in. The next thing that you'll see is your user page, and from here there'll be a couple areas of like a couple ways to go ahead and create that account. So when you try to navigate to other sections in the application using these navigation tools up here, this home looking one is your inventory, and the one with the circling icons is the account button. So if you try to go to your inventory, it'll actually pop up with a new little message saying that you need to create an account first. Also, if you navigate to any other part of the app, meaning you try to search the search icon, or actually if you I believe go to the account section itself, you'll see that this little message. So what you can do is actually click this message right here, and that'll take you directly to the create a new account page, or under your user pages accounts section, you'll see this button that says create new account. All you have to do is click that, and you'll be taken to this next page where you have a couple of different options. Currently, we're offering Stor.Guru in two different payment plans. We have a subscription that is a monthly and a subscription that is yearly, so you can see the prices listed right there as well. So these buttons will, depending on which one you choose, will link you out to our third-party purchasing platform, which is based on Stripe. This is Stripe's checkout system, so you can either pay with Google Pay or directly enter some email information. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out some of this information, and it will start our trial for us. So the trial wanted to mention actually that we'll be doing a trial of 6 months in general. So depending on when you start your trial, that'll be when the 6 months start. Although I would like to mention that billing in the future is going to change. We're switching away from the Stripe payment method or the Stripe checkout method in our next release. We'll be implementing the more of a in-app checkout system that you don't have to go out to a third party to use. You'll have credit cards associated and billing information associated with your specific user, and from there you'll be able to switch which card you'll like to pay for what things, or having a record for different accounts. So after you get redirected back from Stripe checkout, you will come back to your users page. And right now, this pop-up is telling you that the device information, or the device's camera information, is needed. So basically, it's asking for us to, like, you need access to your camera for the application. So once you click OK, you'll be prompted for video camera access, and the camera will fire, and that'll be grabbing all the different settings on your device so that you can easily scan and use your camera for taking pictures when you're actually in the application. So if you see this right now, it's okay to click cancel. You will be prompted to again for it if you navigate to a certain part of the application where it's actually used. Right now, I'm going to click OK, and I have a pop-up on my mobile device. Actually, I don't know if you can see this guy, but that is what happened. If you click Allow, then you'll get prompted back and allowed to take photos, and so then you'll be back at this page. So, going back to what we were doing with creating a new account, if your account does not show up under your accounts section, that does not mean it hasn't been created. I recommend trying to give the page just a quick refresh so that can appear. We actually do have a fix for this in the next release, and there you go. So here is your account. it's set up with the just a generic ID tag that represents it in our databases and stuff. And this button will actually take you to the accounts page under the accounts section, where you can go ahead and change that name of the account. All you have to do to save something in Stor.Guru is typically just click off of the input, and then you'll see that the new account name has been changed. If you navigate back to your users page, you'll also see that new account is also listed here. So at this point, I believe that we have successfully created a new account. Like I said, the whole process of creating an account and the form at which you fill out when you are creating it will be changing in the next release, and I believe it'll be a little bit more streamlined and intuitive for you guys. So yeah, I appreciate you watching this video, and thanks for stopping by.